guys, and welcome to my channel LB Plans. My name is Elle, and today I have an unboxing. Oh my god. Okay, so this is my order from Goulet Pen Co. I'm very excited to get it open. I even bust out my ring light, mainly because it's nighttime and I just got home and I could not wait because I want to get into this package and I couldn't wait till in the morning. So I wanted to give you guys my authentic review of these items because I did purchase quite a bit. So let's get into it because there's no need to wait. Great. All right, let me pull out my packing slip. I went ahead and cut the box so I can get to it. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. I got a little lollipop. All right, so a couple of things. So I ordered some ink samples. And then they gave me a coupon when I registered for their site. They gave me a coupon for a random like variety of inks, and that's what I got. So you guys can tell by the box that I picked up 2 new Twispies. Okay, so the ink. First ink is Robert Oyster's African Gold. I love this ink. I've been using it for the month of January in my planner, and yes, it is currently in my Twisby Eco Cream and Rose Gold, and I'm enjoying it, and my sample was running out, so I went ahead and purchased the bottle. So there's 2 different pens here. That was the ink that I purchased. This was the ink sample. I will do some swatches of it later, just not today, but I do see some really, really beautiful colors in here. Ooh, that's exciting, but I'm just gonna move that off to the side. And then I picked some samples for myself too, but you know what? The samples of what I picked are mixed in here, and then the random. All right, so I know that this was one that I purchased the sample of directly. So let's see if I can tell the difference between which ones I purchased and which one came in the sample kit. Okay. So I purchased Deep Purple, Diamine Soraya, beautiful color. I did Red Candy. I'm looking for a red and a purple, and then Deep Purple. These are the pick. Everything else is just the random selection. A lot of blues, greens, a lot of blues and greens. Okay, so I don't care about those because this is what you came for. What did I pick up? So I got 2 pen options. One is going to be like an everyday pen, but I want to do full transparency. So the first pen that I'm going to unbox is the original pen that I had wanted to purchase, but I settled for this because I wasn't sure on the nib. And before I paid, you know, like $80 for a pen, I wanted to make sure that I was comfortable with the nib. So I brought a more or less expensive version. And I'm happy I did that because I am not a fan all the time. I do see purposes when it's best to use it, but not all the time of a fine nib. I like an extra fine nib. Even when I write in gel pen, my gel pens are normally like 0.38 or 0.4 or 0.5. I never go over a 0.5, so I like a thinner, bolder ink. And that's what I feel like I get better from a Twisby and a extra fine. So I went ahead and made the less expensive purchase to try it out. Great call on my part. And then when I got the cream and rose gold, I did get the extra fine, and I am loving it. And I realized that I picked this pen up more than I was picking up that pen. So the original pen that I wanted, which should be no surprise. So I picked up the Twisby Diamond 580 in Iris in an extra fine nib. This pen, every time I see it, every time I see someone unbox one in the iris colors, it is simply gorgeous. And they are completely different every time you see one. Oh, I think there's more tape on this. So I thoroughly am excited to have this pen now in my collection. Where is that tape? Oh, there it goes. It's hiding. Some good tape. My hands are all ashy and stuff, but I'm just super excited. And I was, no lie, I was getting jealous. I was seeing people with their pens, and like I said, this was the original one that I wanted, but I just couldn't grasp the idea of making an $80 investment. And don't worry guys, all my pen collections will not just be Twisby, because I am saving up for a different pen, because now I done found Esterbrook, and they have a gorgeous pen that I want, and it's a couple hundred. So anyway, but it's just gorgeous. I mean, words cannot describe the color. Oh my God, my hands are horrible. That's what I get for just jumping on, but it's beautiful. It's more beautiful than I thought. And you know what? This is heavier than this. Oh, I'm shaking the thing, but let me fix that real quick. Okay. This is definitely more sturdier and heavier. It does twist off. Let me twist it. Even the nib. So gorgeous. Oh my God. So I finally have it. I'm not sure which ink I'm going to fill in it yet. I think I have a Robert Oster ink that I want to put in there, but I'm not sure yet, but we'll play around with it. But it is a gorgeous pen. This is not the everyday pen that I picked up. This will stay at home in my collection for the most part and mainly be used for like journaling and planning, but she is a beautiful pen. Now, if my understanding is that this doesn't post, oh, it does post, but it's not recommended to post it because it can mess with the piston fill capacity, but it could post if you wanted to, but I would not recommend it. She is gorgeous. Okay, I gotta explain how I'm gonna explain that one to my husband. Okay. All right, and then the next pen that I got, this is the everyday pen. This was the new release. When I seen it, I was like, it's perfect for an everyday pen. And then it gets me into another Twisby Diamond, which this is a 580 ALR fountain pen. So I believe the ARR is a different model from the regular 580. And yeah, when it posted, I was like, oh, that's the perfect everyday pen with black ink. I don't see it having anything other than black ink in its feature, or maybe a smoke gray. So this is the Twisby Black. Like I said, it is a diamond. It is a black on black. It is in an extra fine nib. It is gorgeous because it's jet black with like a satin. Let me get these stickers off now that I know where they are located. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now I noticed that these don't come like the other ones with the full kit. I don't know if there's something up under it or not. I'll look at that later. Right now I don't care. But this is, oh, it says Diamond ALR on the back. You see that? Like, and then the Twisby is in like a silver tone, but not like a matte silver tone. Oh, it has the Twisby logo in red. The matte black is gorgeous, and actually I was just saying that like there's not enough matte black pens, and this one has like a little cushion. If you look at the Echo, there's not really a cushion there. Definitely more sustainable, a little bit heavier, not by much, but I do have ink in this one. But as you can see, that cushion, because I am starting to get that little knot right there from writing. Oh, it feels good. That feels really good. So yep, this is going to be my everyday pen in black. I can't wait to get it filled up. I will be doing it currently ink for February, and then at that time I will kind of just go through my ink swatches and what I find will be best. I hope you guys enjoyed these unboxings. If you got any new pens, let me know what you've gotten or you've picked up. I am super excited and I can't wait to get them inked. Until my next video, you guys, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye.